students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is chapter number 6, more about computer mouse. In this lesson we will be studying about computer mouse. We know that computer has three parts, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. In that we are going to study about mouse. So let us first talk about mouse. A computer mouse is used to point and select items on the computer screen. It is also used to draw pictures and play games on a computer. Here are the buttons of mouse. As you can see, it has two buttons, left mouse button and right mouse button. It also has a scroll wheel between these two mouse, and we keep our mouse on a mouse pad. So this is how a mouse pad looks. Here, mouse pointer. You can see this is the mouse pointer, the shape of mouse pointer. And now also you can see when I am moving my cursor, it is something looking like this only. So this is the mouse pointer. The mouse pointer is a very small arrow on the computer screen. As we move the mouse in the different direction, the mouse pointer also moves in different direction. Now, let us talk about the types of computer mouse. There are basically three types of computer mouse, that is mechanical mouse, optical mouse and wireless mouse. Mechanical mouse, optical mouse and wireless mouse. So, we will be talking about all three computer mouses individually. Let us talk about mechanical mouse. What is mechanical mouse? Mechanical mouse is a type of mouse in which it has a rubber ball on its underside. Here you can see this is a ball. You can see rubber ball. When we took out this ball, then it looked something like this. So mechanical mouse we were using in early days. Now we have modified mouse, that is optical mouse. When the mouse is moved, the ball rolls and moves the mouse pointer in on the screen. मतलब कि जब हम लोग माउस को मूव करते थे तो ये बॉल भी क्या होता था, मूव होता था. तो वैसे by the help of this rubber we were able to move the mouse pointer. Now, next we will talk about optical mouse. What is optical mouse? Optical mouse uses laser light. जैसे कि पहले we have seen that ball, यहाँ पे क्या है, we have light. This optical mouse basically works on the laser light to track its movement and move the mouse pointer on the screen. तो जैसे जैसे ये light move करता था, in the same way the mouse pointer was moving. It is more accurate than a mechanical mouse. मतलब कि जो हमारा optical mouse है वो ज़्यादा easy है और correct है. Accurate मतलब correct है जब हम लोग इसको mechanical mouse से compare करें तो. So optical mouse is much more better. Then we have wireless mouse. Now very clear from the name, wireless. वैसा mouse which do not have wire. A wireless mouse is connected to a computer without any wire. ये बिना किसी wire के connect होता है. It connects to a computer with a radio signal. It also uses laser light to track its movement. इसके साथ there we get a small laser रेडियो सिग्नल, ऐसा करके एक छोटा सा रेडियो सिग्नल हम लोगों को मिलता है विच वी फिट इन द कंप्यूटर, जिसको हम लोग कंप्यूटर में क्या करते हैं, लगाते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी इंसर्ट दिस इन द कंप्यूटर देन ओनली वी आर एबल टू एक्सेस द माउस. तभी हम लोग माउस को क्या कर सकते हैं, चला सकते हैं. सो दिस वॉज द वायरलेस माउस एंड इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन नाउ. पीपल आर यूजिंग वायरलेस माउस एवरीवेयर. नाउ वी हैव At present, wireless mouse is becoming more popular. Now we have mouse actions. So what are the mouse actions? Like we can do click, we can do right click, we can do double click and we can do drag and drop. We will study about each of the mouse actions individually. First of all, we will be studying about click. As we know that we have two mouse button, left mouse button as well as right mouse button. सो हम लोग क्लिक किस माउस बटन से करेंगे? लेफ्ट क्लिक से. सो फॉर डूइंग लेफ्ट क्लिक और क्लिक वी नीड टू प्रेस द लेफ्ट माउस बटन वंस. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? एक बार लेफ्ट माउस बटन प्रेस करेंगे. नाउ आई विल बी क्लिकिंग वंस. यू कैन हियर द वॉइस. सी, this is how the right mouse button works. Left mouse button works. Now we have right mouse button, right click. This right click is used to get different commands related to the current item on the screen. I will show you afterwards what is the use. पर right click में क्या है? हम लोगों को right side के बटन को प्रेस करना है, इधर वाले बटन को प्रेस करना है. So that like that we will get the right click. Now we have double click. Double click we do from the left click only. We need to press the left mouse button twice very quickly. This is called a double click. Okay? पहले हम लोग क्लिक में क्या करते थे? एक बार क्लिक करना था लेफ्ट माउस बटन को, बट डबल क्लिक में क्या है? लेफ्ट माउस बटन को 2 बार क्लिक करना है कंटिन्यूअसली, लगातार 2 बार. Now we will move to drag and drop. Now I will show you how we can do drag and drop. 1 minute. Now, like this, here you can see my computer desktop screen. I will be showing how to use click, how to use right click and how to do double click. जैसे कि if I want to select, so I will do click. I have done clicked. तो ये क्या हो गया? ये select हो गया. Like I am just selecting it. So the my computer is being selected. ये क्या हो गया? ये select हो गया. ये कैसे किया? हम लोगों ने click से किया. Now I will do right click. Right click में देखो, when I have done right click, all the options, all the related commands to this item has been appeared on the screen. तो right click से क्या होता है? commands आता है, और left click से क्या होता है? वो select होता है. select हो गया left click, select हो गया left click, select हो गया left click, select हो गया left click. तो ये हम लोग कर रहे हैं left click. Now right click से क्या है? options. See, options will appear. Options are appearing like this. So this is the right click. Now I will be showing the drag and drop. Sorry, first double click. Double click से क्या होता है? कोई भी चीज़ open हो जाता है. Like I will do twice, 2 बार. You can listen the voice twice. 2 बार सुनना, 2 बार लगातार. तो क्या हो गया? ये open हो गया. That is double click. Once again I will show you. Click for opening, double click. 1, 2. See, it has been opened. Now if you want to close it, once click, left click, double click, open. ठीक है? Now I will be showing drag and drop. Drag and drop में क्या है? We can change the position. Like this is the computer. What I need to do? I need to click, drag, change the position and drop it. So the position has been changed. So drag and drop is used to move an item from one place to another on the computer screen. It is very easy to do. करना क्या है? First you need to do click, select करो, left click, keep the left mouse button clicked and then move the pointer. Move the pointer. Mouse को छोड़ो मत, move the pointer and place it at the different place. So this is drop. Click, drag, drop. Again click, drag and drop. So this is how drag and drop works. So these were the 3 of the mouse actions which we have seen, in which we have seen the click, we have seen the double click, we have seen the right click, and we have also seen the drag and drop. So I hope, my dear children, all 3 actions would be clear to you all. Thank you, my dear children.